What is up, YouTube? Today we're here at the Fox River and we're gonna be serving up some yum. That's right, blood corn, my very own concoction here on the Fox River. Go on and take you a bite.
There we go, guys. We got one on here. The camera keeps going on and off. Sorry about that. Probably one of the nicer carp I've seen in this light stretch here. Nice heavy fish. Oh yeah. Look at that. Keeps trying to get himself buried in the weeds.
Check out that chunker, guys. Over here, Fox River. Middle of nowhere. You could see that, hear that big train in the background. That was scary. I tried fishing over there by it, but I think there was just too much noise going on. Fish couldn't settle down. Came back over here, tossed out, and I'm talking within a few moments, less than 20 minutes, caught this beautiful carp. Get the hook out of him here. There we are. Beautiful, beautiful fish. And as always, I'm gonna brace him here and he will not move because we got him centered. And again, a lot of times it's the first time outside of the body of water, so it's the first time feeling their body of weight. So right now we have him balanced and he's very content. So we're gonna go in and release him. What a beautiful fish. Fox River, full of carp fishing at its finest. We are on a river. One of my favorite things to do on a river is use a river rig, also known as a slip sinker rig. That is a sinker roaming freely on your line, tied to a swivel with a leader and a hook. This means when the fish takes your bait, the only resistance it's gonna feel is if your rod tip bends, but otherwise it will not feel anything. No weight, no resistance. Therefore, it'll be more likely to take your presentation. So today we're gonna be using that on the bottom with my blood corn, and we're on the Fox River in Wisconsin. Let's go. I'm wearing a glove because this red Kool-Aid stains you like crazy, and it's very, very difficult to get off. But we have the red Kool-Aid, and we're gonna toss that out as bait. And then we get our presentation along that area. Fish will start to move towards it. And we have our bait on the bottom, so then they bite it and we catch them. Oh man. Crazy, when you hook them, they go right to the bank. It's another one on this blood corn. It's a smaller one. Look at that, another nice one, guys. Fox River, going in for the release. All right, guys, so this is not much at all. Beautiful fishing location here. Truck is parked right behind me. We're gonna bait that, but spread it out. We're not dropping a clump in one area. We're spreading it out a little bit in a general area because to hit that mark precisely is very difficult. So the water's about 2 feet, and we're gonna cast our presentation right in this area because the current's gonna push that down and it's gonna settle on the bottom about there. So once you get your presentation close to where you baited, then you just sit and wait, and that's all it is. It's just a waiting game. Fish will either come through or they won't. So we'll drop that there. Put it in a secure rod holder because we're gonna need it. These fish, when they go, they go. And now we wait. Look at these two beautiful little black kittens. Seems like they live here. Bye, my little kitty friends. All right, guys, and with that, we are out. Everything is loaded up. Beautiful Fox River location here. Again, it's shallow. Most people would not fish it, but my experience on Salt Creek, I know that carp do not care about shallow water. So we went 2 for 2. It was a fun trip, and we'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe, and do not forget to hit that like button. Peace.